Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of homepage on Rapid TV. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Rapid TV. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Rapid TV, and here you will update your app if you find updates. So that's all. Don't forget to press by like and subscribe. See you next time.